Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Just going to show you a quick upcycle. This is an old wardrobe foot. There was actually 5 of them on the wardrobe, and we're going to turn them into something. Well, we're not actually going to turn them, we're going to cut them. So here you go. So there you go, we cut off the actual piece that originally was screwed to the wardrobe, so it sat like that. So that was the floor, wardrobe sat on there. We cut that, discard that, we don't need it. Give this a sanding and sand the back just so your glue can take. So I'm going to do a bit of Blue Peter now. There's one I sanded earlier, both sides. Okay, get yourself some super glue. Super glue on there, super glue on there, and I've got some rubber cork matting. Here's another one I made earlier. Stick the rubber cork matting to it with super glue. Don't clamp it, because if you clamp it, they come out with a seepage of glue, and the wood or whatever you clamp it with sticks to it. So I made that mistake the first time round. So once you've done that, get yourself a knife and just cut round. And this is quite awkward material to cut, to be fair. So I just cut it like this all the way around. Just get rid of the excess more than anything. Not that you need to, you could leave it, I suppose, it wouldn't really matter. But I'll cut it off, okay? So I'm going to do another Blue Peter now. Here's another one I made earlier. So they don't have to be neat and tidy, because you're not going to do them, they'll just be resting your work on. And once you've got your wood on there, or whatever material you're working with, and you've got, say, 4 of them laid out, so say you have them like this and you've got your material on them, they're solid, they don't actually move. So they've turned out really well. I'm actually very impressed with them. And if you don't want to upcycle them, I'll leave you a link below to the original ones that you can buy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.